Top 20 confusing words in English. Many English learners struggle with words that look or sound similar but have different meanings. In this lesson, you will learn 20 of the most common confusing word pairs in English, explained clearly with simple examples you can use in real life. Let's begin. 1. Affect versus effect. Affect, verb, to influence something. Example, the rain will affect our plans. Effect, noun, the result of a change. Example, the effect of the rain was flooding. 2. Accept versus accept. Accept, verb, to receive or agree. Example, I accept your invitation. Accept, preposition, not including. Example, everyone went except me. 3. Advice versus advise. Advice, noun, a recommendation. Example, she gave me good advice. Advise, verb, to give a recommendation. Example, I advise you to study harder. 4. Farther versus further. Farther, physical distance. Example, my house is farther than yours. Further, additional or more. Example, we need further information. 5. Compliment versus compliment. Compliment, praise. Example, he gave me a nice compliment. Compliment, to complete or match. Example, the shoes complement your outfit. 6. Principle versus principle. Principle, a rule or belief. Example, honesty is my main principle. Principal, the head of a school or main part. Example, he is the school principal. 7. Weather versus weather. Weather, the condition of the atmosphere. Example, the weather is sunny today. Weather shows a choice. Example, I don't know whether to go or stay. 8. Stationary versus stationary. Stationary, not moving. Example, the car remained stationary. Stationary writing materials. Example, I bought new stationery. 9. Desert versus desert. Desert, a dry sandy place. Example, camels live in the desert. Dessert, sweet food after a meal. Example, I love chocolate dessert. 10. Ensure versus insure. Ensure, make sure something happens. Example, ensure the door is locked. Insure, protect financially. Example, I insured my car. 11. Practice versus practice. Practice, noun, the activity. Example, I need more practice. Practice, verb, to do repeatedly. Example, I practice English every day. Note, American English uses practice for both. 12. Later versus latter. Later, after some time. Example, I will call you later. Latter, the second of two things. Example, I prefer the latter option. 13. Loose versus lose. Loose, not tight. Example, my shirt is loose. Lose, to no longer have. Example, don't lose your phone. 14. Hear versus hear. Hear, receive sound. Example, can you hear me? Here, in this place. Example, come here. 15. Adapt versus adopt. Adapt, change to fit. Example, I adapted to the new job. Adopt, take as your own. Example, they adopted a child. 16. Borrow versus lend. Borrow, take from someone. Example, can I borrow your pen? Lend, give temporarily. Example, I will lend you my pen. 17. Say versus tell. Say focuses on words. Example, she said she was tired. Tell, focuses on the listener. Example, she told me the truth. 18. Fun versus funny. Fun, enjoyable. Example, the game was fun. Funny, makes you laugh. Example, the joke was funny. 19. Lay versus lie. Lay, put something down. Example, lay the book on the table. Lie, rest or recline. Example, I want to lie down. 20. Raise versus rise. Raise, lift something. Example, raise your hand. Rise, go up by itself. Example, the sun rises in the east. These small differences make a big difference. When you understand them, your English becomes clearer. Your confidence grows, and your speaking sounds more natural. Don't try to remember everything at once. Choose a few words, practice them, and use them in real sentences. If this lesson helped you, subscribe to the channel. This channel is for serious learners who want real improvement, clear explanations, and confident English speaking. Subscribe now, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next lesson.